Scientific approach for studying international politics was adopted after 1945. Before that, the dominant approach was the classical approach, and this approach was specially adopted after the involvement of behavioral sciences in political studies. And this approach is perhaps more helpful in studying politics, especially this is an approach through you can make some predictions in politics as well. The scientific approach became popular in wake of Second World War. So after 1945, the American political scientists especially started adopting the scientific approach for studying politics. Under this approach, more emphasis is put on method of study rather than subject matter. Obviously, on subject matter as well, you have to put some emphasis, but under the scientific approach, more emphasis is put on the method of study, how to study. That's the most important question in scientific studies. The scientific approach to the politics is based on a simple proposition. It's said that just like any other activity, people are involved in politics, and this can be explained by explaining the behavior of people. Since people are involved in politics, and so we can say that the politics is determined by the behavior of the people. So in order to explain politics, we need to explain the behavior of people, because the politics depends on the behavior of people. And this method of study ignore boundaries of orthodox discipline, and the central aim of research should be behavior of people under the scientific method. So by ignoring the orthodox discipline of a classical approach, scientific approach make the political studies more universal and more scientific. And the most beautiful point about the scientific approach is that the scientific approach is interdisciplinary. And in scientific approach, you use concepts from different other disciplines as well. For example, you use the concepts from anthropology, sociology, and law for understanding of politics. And the scientific approach make the political studies and the international politics a predictive subject. So by analyzing the behavior of people, or by analyzing the political behavior of the people, you can make predictions about politics. Thank you for joining. Take care. Goodbye.